The Marathon Classic right around the corner, and we continue to introduce the local charities that benefit from the event. The Children's Theater Workshop over the last 67 years has provided Toledo youth with a space to express themselves while developing life skills. The Children's Theater Workshop looks forward to adding to the tradition of sports and community outreach through the Marathon Classic.
So the Children's Theater Workshop has been a Toledo institution since 1954. We were founded by the Toledo Junior League and the American Association of University Women, and we've been doing theater with kids for almost 70 years at this point.
While the mission remains the same, the Children's Theater Workshop is relocating to a new home.
We're here in the Collingwood Arts Center, which is where we've been since the late 1980s, and we're in the process of moving over to the historic Ohio Theater, which is just down the way in the Polish Village, the Old North End. And what we've been doing here at the Children's Theater is doing theater for and by young people. We do plays and theater programs and acting classes and theater technology for anyone between the ages of like 3 all the way up to 18. You start as a young child, just kind of having your dramatic and creative impulses guided towards making characters and playing collaboratively, all the way up to our juniors and seniors who actually produce their own theater, and they build the budget and they cast the play and they do all the rehearsals, and then we have our technicians who help design the sets and put the lights together. So anything that goes into the theater making process, our young people do that with the help of the community and the staff.
And with the help of the Marathon Classic.
The Marathon Classic has been a Toledo staple for so long, and working at the other organizations that are also Toledo Marathon Classic charities, it's an honor to be side by side with these other important institutions and to be included in this Marathon Classic. The work that the Marathon Classic does is this beautiful tradition of sports and also community outreach and engagement, and the fact that they focus on young people and the things that really matter to the young people and the youth of the Toledo community is really important to us as well. So being connected to that overarching community is exciting for us, and we're thrilled because the funds that come from this event will help us with this important transition as we go from pandemic circumstances into what is our new normal as we leave our old home at the Collingwood Arts Center and go into the historic Ohio Theater. There's so much transition that has to happen programmatically as well as geographically, and we want to make sure that that's a good experience for our kids, for our family, and that when we do go to our new home, that we are in a position to really make a good place for our new community and our new people that we haven't met yet, and all the partners that we're looking forward to making. And that's what's going to be possible because of things like this Marathon Classic gift.